How you doing, guys? You're watching Haja Chana. I'm just going to run through an exercise that I'm doing. I'm actually doing my chest right now, as well as incorporating some shoulders. So really focusing on compound movements. So focusing, instead of doing weighted exercises, so this is for somebody, if you haven't even got weights, especially if you're working at home, then a great way to utilize and build muscle is using your body weight, but you're going to have to use greater angles if you find that things like on the floor, it's pretty easy to do push-ups, or even similar doing like pike push-ups. So this is basically an alternative for a pike push-up exercise. If they start to get easier, you can elevate yourself doing pike push-ups, but it's so difficult to try and to attempt from going to a certain type of pike push-ups and then going to trying to do some handstand push-ups. So the goal here is I'm trying to obviously build more strength so I can actually do some handstand push-ups against the wall. And a great way I've utilized is actually using a Smith machine, or if you can get yourself anywhere that you can find that you can get pretty much a height, not against the wall, but something where you can kind of hook your foot onto. If you can find something like that, if you haven't, obviously if you're not working in the gym and haven't got a Smith machine, then just somewhere you can hook your basic foot to, it's going to actually help you and create some actual assistance, because I'm going to actually use the same line getting closer towards doing a handstand push-up. I'm going to use my parallettes, but obviously you can go ahead and just do it straight on the floor. And yeah, so I'll just give you a go at how that looks. So I'm going to just basically try to get as much as into that sort of vertical position I can. So what I do here is I keep one leg completely straight, like basically if you're doing a handstand push-up, so you're going to be like that, so it's coming in an angle here, which is still pretty intense to do. But what I do is I'll hook one foot over, so I've set the bar at the right height, so you have to have something that fits your height. And I'm just going to come down, straightening that leg, so I come low as I can. And as I push, if I haven't got the strength to push, one foot stays up, and the other one, I'm bending the knee, but I'm using my foot to create that extra assistance to help me up. And it's still pretty tough. I'm still going to end up with small reps, but it's definitely one to help build that handstand push-up. So that's it. That was pretty tough, so I ended up with 4 reps. So you don't have to go into so much elevation if the strength isn't there. But the idea is it's another way of building to your handstand push-ups. So eventually doing that more consistently, adding it to my routines, I'm going to get stronger, I'm going to be able to push more reps out, and I'm going to be able to go more vertical on the exercise, so elevate it till I can eventually go into a handstand push-up.